Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a backflip. So if you want to do a backflip, just come here. Then, oh my gosh, sorry I pressed the wrong buttons. Backflip. But just come here. But I know you can do a backflip in jailbreak. So just gonna try. So I think I can do it here and also I'm going to show you a code. So yeah. So the code is sick day. Okay, if you really want to do a backflip, it's yeah. So yep, it's just gonna go there. Oh my gosh. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video because it was just for doing a backflip. It's just when you just passenger seat, then if you want to do a backflip, you do it. Okay, glitch. So even the ATV, if you drive in front, it will take you into a building. So yeah. Then I will get our ATV. I'll show you that glitch. But for now, I'm just going to show you that code. So let me show you a really good hiding spot. So yeah, just come here. Oh, don't mind him. So code is sick day. And boom, good. I got it. So then just close the door. Yep. That should do it now. So let me try if I can show you guys how to do a backflip. So I'm just showing you. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Let me try it one more time. If it doesn't work, I'm ending the vid from right here. It works. Oh my gosh. Maybe you have to be in a high place. Then So if you want to do a backflip in jailbreak, your helicopter has to land like how mine is like. You have to land it like this. Let it be still. It's not here. Sorry I didn't record it. I was watching Captain Marvel. So yeah, I was watching Captain Marvel. That movie is fun. So don't mind him. Oh my gosh. Okay, if it doesn't work, I'm ending the video right here. So it's just like a normal person. He goes like this, then lands like that. So if I take a gun right now, he'll come here and land perfect. Okay, I don't know where it's refacing, but so and also if you want, let me show you how to be invisible. So you just come right here. So you just get any gun you want. Come here.
Nakuwa brush na mimi. Mama sema ulipe. Kuja.
So you just come to spam any spam, you can spam, then come here, and do invisible. Ta-da! If you like this glitch, subscribe. Let's get to, I don't know, maybe 10 subscribers. Don't know, but subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below if you did the how to do a backflip. So peace. Peace, guys.